Welcome again, Military Guna TV, and I can say Manchester City 3, Tottenham Hotspur 0, Tottenham Hotspur 0, Manchester City 3, and this was evident from the moment the game kicked off. As I said before, it is basically sexy football versus sit back and counter, and who normally wins a game like that? It has to be the sexy football. Sexy football always prevail because in sexy football you have quality, you have control, you have IQs, high IQs, you have players doing their thing. But in sit back and counter, that will never work when the first goal is scored on you because you have to generally open up just to get a goal. And when you sit back and counter and the game changes like that, it means that you have to press a bit higher. Pressing a bit higher against Manchester City is never a good thing. But guess what? Pep Guardiola team and Gundogan opened up the Tottenham Hotspurs club and injected some goals easily. 3 passes, the keeper, even Ederson having his take in the game as well. As I said, you can check my tweet. Ederson even wanted to kick the first penalty, which goes to show that they fancy themselves beating this Tottenham Hotspur team, and it's an embarrassment because Tottenham came to this game without a plan, and it was evident that they have nothing to show for it. And what we're seeing right now is definitely quality and better management of a field of a game than what Jose Mourinho is bringing forward. So guess what? Tottenham Hotspur 0. Manchester City 3, and this was evident, as I said before, from minute 1 of kick-off. This is Military Guna TV, and guess what? This team is dead. This Tottenham Hotspur team is dead. I don't care what anyone wants to say, but this Tottenham Hotspur team is dead. And Gundogan, in form, one of the best midfielder in the league right now. 2 goals and an assist from Ederson, beautiful assist, long ball down the middle, and Gundogan having Davis dying, lying on the ground on his face, and just slotted it ahead of Hugo Lloris, was been really poor throughout the game. So this Tottenham team, really not good. All they're trying to use is aggression against the Manchester City team, trying to out-muscle them, but guess what? Quality on the field, which is football. Manchester City came to play football, and they did that, and that was a great game. So hopefully you guys like the content. Please hit the like and subscribe if you're new here. Hit the like button because I really want to get the YouTube algorithm, as I always said before. So as the video start, if you haven't liked videos as yet, hit it right now. Guess what? Military Guna TV, I am out.